How do you get excited when you give a presentation? When you have to engage the audience? Whether it's a business presentation, perhaps you are conducting a workshop in a networking session, or maybe just a one-to-one or one-to-two or one-to-small group discussion. How do you get excited? There are 3 ways to get you excited. And for the audience to feel your excitement as well, to feel that, hey, this person, this speaker wants to be here with us. 3 ways to increase your level of excitement. Number 1 is to make use of what we call high power poses. Prior to your presentation, take note of actions, motions that will help you increase the overall energy level. Instead of sitting down, slouching, and perhaps reducing surface area of exposure in terms of the body, try and use what we call high power poses. Your chin is parallel with the ground. You can do the superstar or the rock star supermodel pose. You can have your feet shoulder width apart, nothing blocking your chest, open gestures. These are high power poses. That's going to help you as well. Number 2, to get more excited about that particular topic, try and think of the kind of value that the audience they're going to receive and how it's going to impact their lives. Every time we ask that particular question, we tend to feel a very strong sense or maybe a renewed sense of purpose. Sometimes my friends ask me, Darren, you do this day in, day out. You train day in, day out. Every single week you train several times. Do you get tired? Where do you find the energy? Where do you find the passion? How do you reignite the flame, for lack of a better term, if the flame has started to diminish?